What's your favourite gift of all time? Whatever it is, it won't be as awesome as what you're about to receive. The gift of time. Here's how to save a stack of time with default video descriptions and channel profiles. Number 1, log into your YouTube studio. Number 2, click settings down the left hand side. Number 3, select upload defaults. Option 1, you can set your privacy to private, public or unlisted if you want a secret or slightly hidden YouTube channel. We don't, so it's staying like this. Now, your topic, you don't want to try and cheat this. YouTube will know. Your title is likely to be different all the time, so we're leaving that blank. The description is where you want to add some information. It's important to remember your description plays a part in how YouTube displays your videos in search, so don't just have the same blurb for every video. What you might want to add is links to your social platforms or affiliate links or links to your website and email list. Things you want in every video as well as the content you add on upload later. We'd recommend tagging your channel name in every video as it will help YouTube pair them together and suggest you more often. Now you can change a few more settings. If you're uploading a lot of juicy videos to YouTube, then you're gonna save a ton of time doing this in the long run. If you wanna save even more time, then make sure you subscribe here for more videos that will help you become a YouTube pro. And watch this video all about how to plan a whole quarter's worth of content to scale up your production.